Dumelang bagolo. As previously spoken, all protocol has been observed, so I'm going to skip right past all the important greetings, acknowledging everybody, of course, with respect. I had to speak. I feel that I am the most important wife of the man who is lying here. But you all know, the most important is dealing. The Bible says in Mark 13:35-37 that we know not the time and to keep watch. It's an important thing for us to remember as we reflect on the life of the man lying before us. The reason why it is so important is the way in which he lived his life with absolute exuberance. He made sure he fulfilled every single mandate given to him by his Creator. He made sure that whether it was singing, whether it was speaking, whether it was inspiring the youth, whether it was acting, he did it to the fullest extent. Not only that, he also touched the hearts of every single person he came across. They spoke. They spoke today. They spoke about how deeply he touched each and every single one of them. So I want us to reflect on that, all of us today. Just what a great example of that he is. Lying here before us, having lived every single minute to the fullest extent. Charlie, I'm going to miss you. I know that, as your colleagues, we only spent a small portion with you. Your family will miss you even more. We are here for you. I just want to say, my friend, my Charlie, and make it nice so that we can sit there and toast, my friend, to the good times that you left us with, the good memories that you left us with. We love you, we salute you, and until forever, rest in peace.
Balansa moya. Melang. Ning kapaning. Kai kapakai. Jwang kapajwang. Ramasedi asisi maumau. Yes. Hatibaki ho ya kwali kwa. Spooka se rukuye sengata ka yena. Le rona re kopane le spooka ra sebetsa le yena. Nna ke kopane le spooka ka 1970 somebody ha fika mo di atemo. From there I check spooka I cannot go GK but now I can't say cases of spooka, Ula is once a parrot, Kakuba Palalena, Haku is a Jesu Utsiling. And then Shuyaka Mafilona is and a Yisa, Lugona Liberaro saw the black moon. And unfortunately, so here I am going to put the Holo. Ribuzigo Kremstow, look at the 1st of July. Kapakamatanya Mari, Onara or Mudimu Hapalebaloi. Rayes, I show you advertise my next Mari. Carry cats at the holo. Ha ha ha. Poo. Yes. Until her 35th it's July, Kalas show her. Arveta power. It's a show. We are not aware for his book. It can be the last bow. The show you. And more or Balaka Hoso Chiarona, Ralebuha, Sibisaliana, and Urisi, Ligas Imnati, Ekile Shaw, Ikabe Solapili. Halala.
It is Colegancha.
Sikoleganja.
It is Colegancha.
Sikoleganja. Amabona, Abula, Christian, Matot, it is Colegancha.